Hello everyone. So there are three reasons that I have started posting videos on YouTube. The first one is that I want to improve my ability to speak English. I want to speak flawlessly. Whenever I try to speak in English, I find myself repeating words, patterns, and thoughts over and over again. So that is something I want to correct. Earlier, I used to practice with Meta AI, but few days ago, when I got my census kit, the idea stuck into my mind that why should I not make videos about the places or the treks or the temples I go and speak out my feelings and make those videos and post it on YouTube, because it is much easier to describe a thing when it is in front of you, you know, rather than talking about your thoughts randomly. So that is the reason I thought that I'll make videos of temples and treks, because I usually every other day I go to such places with my husband. We both like to go to such places. So, and we click pictures and post it on our private Instagram account, um, in form of album of memory or the album of life. So those are only pictures, but I thought that I'll make videos of such places and I will post it on YouTube. So that is the second reason. First reason is I want to improve my English, and second reason is that I want to make those videos and capture the essence of the moment, and the feelings that I'm feeling at that point of time. So that is the second reason. And third reason, if by any chance YouTube finds me the same kind of weirdos that likes my effortless stuff, then I will think about improving the editing quality or improve buying more device. That is a big if there. If my video reaches to more people, then I will someday think of so I was talking about the third reason. The third reason is money, obviously. Money. Money. And if someday my channel reaches to that level, then I will think about not even that level. If I reach to that level of consistency, these three phases. I was hearing and I was listening a video yesterday, and he said that the starting the 3 months of the start, the YouTube tests you, and I'm testing myself. So right now I just want to be consistent. If I see myself being consistent on this project, then I will think about editing, uh, taking, spending time in editing, or spending money in buying good devices. But now that is not my focus. My focus is to just keep doing what am I doing for like 3 months straight, and if I achieve that goal somehow, then I will think about this third reason. Right now only two reasons are applicable. First one is improving English, and second one is capturing the moment. So if you have listened me this far, thank you so much.